Hey guys, what's happening? Refresh your Snapchat profile with these easy trick. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat. Alright? Let me agree to continue. And you can just refresh your Snapchat basically by going to your chat, or if you want to refresh your Snapchat profile, just go ahead and click your profile icon at the top left and just make sure to to refresh it, right? So you can refresh also your friends right here, right? Go to my friends list, or go back right here and click the add friends right here at the top and just refresh, right? And you can refresh who you can add as a friend. But if you want to refresh your own profile, right, and you can manage to basically refresh it from your profile, like from your main profile, just go and close the window and reopen Snapchat again. And that way you're gonna be able to refresh your profile. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.